Hi, thanks for jumping on Rehab and Revive's channel to discuss your hip replacement recovery. You needed a hip replacement because, well, you started having arthritic changes or arthritic buildup, arthritis in general, painful movement that was keeping you from the life you've always wanted and the things that you love doing. So what happens here is the hip replacement recovery, often we only address the hip, but at Rehab and Revive, we can look at things holistically. We want to address and improve the structures of your knee, your ankle, create better gait or the process of improving your gait, improve twisting through your trunk and your hips so that it doesn't always stress and affect the hip joint so that you don't need another revision later on. So our goal is to improve and make you more efficient, decrease that stiffness, increase the weight bearing and the trust to that side, because God forbid you get a hip replacement on this side and then you have to go do one on the other side. So let's eliminate that. Let's help prevent that. So remember, at Rehab and Revive, we heal smarter, not harder.